Get a battery for the golf cart.
Yeah, dude. Fuck yeah.
Yeah, brother. What's up with you?
I'm on the way to the shop to go drop my fucking lawnmower off, and I was gonna head back your place. Watch, I'm probably gonna.
You want to grab food?
Huh?
You want to grab food?
What are you thinking?
Oh, fuck. I don't know, bud. We could go to the family restaurant or something.
I think. I don't know. I need to buy it all in cash.
New battery secured. All right. Well, me and Z's back in town. The boys are back in town he's in town till Wednesday, I think. Him and I are gonna go grab breakfast, and then he's actually gonna come over and take a look at the golf cart for me and see what it's looking like, see what's wrong with it, see if it's something that he can fix or if it's something easy enough that I can fix. So, yeah. We're going to the Matsu Family Restaurant. Matsu Family Restaurant. All right. We're back here at the shop. Picked up the battery for the golf cart. Z and I are gonna mess with this, but I've got some office work I gotta do, so let me get this taken care of. To the vlog. We got Z in the shop. Z's gonna help me out. We gonna get this bad boy working. Let me just set the camera up here. So anyways, I took my fucking multimeter and I hooked it on the positive and negative connection to the battery, and then I turned the key and it showed a connection. So yeah.
This wasn't turned over?
Yeah. So I'm thinking throw this bad mama jumper in there.
This thing's a fucking unit.
Alright, let's see. This is the positive, and I know it's a black cable, but I promise it's the No, just hang on, brother. Don't try to kill me. Don't try to electrocute the brother now. Oh, why is this so short? That's enough that the lights went out in Georgia. That's enough. Man. Filming duty. Alright. Don't mind this. Look. Oh! It's got lights, brother.
Is it running?
Yeah.
The belt's off. Wait, no, it's not. Wait, here, hold
I think
this.
the battery's...
No.
The battery's working. I don't think the engine's starting.
I think like 5 things just dropped all.
Yeah. Is there a way to...
You're gonna have to stick your hands on there, right? Or
Nope.
here, press on that,
That throttle? Throttle. Yeah, it's not starting the engine. Oh, I stepped a little harder.
Wait, you doing that?
Well, she's working.
The clutch is working.
Yeah. So there's something wrong then with the, what do you think? The clutch, it's not engaging to the tires?
You got a jack?
Yeah.
Let's jack up the rear end and see what's wrong with it.
Here. Trade. Gotta do it for the vlog, brother. My shop is such a mess, dude. Well, I mean, it's not that bad. It's just this fucking area. You want that toolbox?
Which one?
That old I don't think you want it.
No. Does it come with tools? No. Ooh, a blowtorch bottle.
A what?
Blowtorch bottle.
Alright. Just,
Yeah, see if the wheels spin at all. Okay, keep doing that.
You know what it probably is?
Huh.
That diff. Look under there. See, there's a diff. Also, I like that flashlight you got.
Oh, the streamlight wedge light?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I bet it, yeah. Right? That's what you would, oh wait, what's that disconnected?
Okay.
So, how do I break into that diff? It's a split diff.
Yeah, you got a couple options. I think only the whole axle that might be easier. How is it connected though? 4 volts.
It's got basically, you were just here, brother.
You push this thing, you push it all the way forward and
Oh, that's bright, brother.
I like them.
So, okay, so it wasn't in gear. We put it in gear, the tires spun. Here, move that. Let me just put it in reverse. Oh, yeah. Yeah, so we got an issue.
What about forward?
Something differential related. Okay, no forward. Clutch works, which is a good thing. Although I did watch a video on how to replace it, and it was really easy. Okay. So let's ChatGPT this. Just pulled up at the AutoZone. Gotta run inside. Mind helping me out there, boss?
Hey, what's happening?
What's up? I need this.
Right here.
Okay, you know the trick. Sweet. That's it. That'll do me. I'm working on I just bought a golf cart, and
Oh, what?
we got a bad wheel bearing, but it's got fucking splined lug nuts.
What?
I've never seen that on a golf, like, ever. I can just check out over here. I got it. Thanks, bud. All right. Got the parts secured. Should make it pretty easy. Run back to the shop. Hopefully this is the right one. If not, I've got a receipt to return it. So we'll just see what happens. All right. Back here at the shop, got the keyway kit. Now I just gotta hope that this is the right one. Let's see. Come on, baby. I think this is it. Brother,
Yep.
we got the right one.
You did?
Yep.
Hell yeah.
So-
Shop smell like shit.
What's that?
Your shop smell like shit.
No, it smells like fucking shitty gas.
Oh, okay. So this is what happened. Yeah, bro, that fucker moves when you get up off it. I thought I was falling over.
Oh, dude, I don't think it's a wheel bearing.
What do you think?
I think this is fucking loose. I don't think it's bolted upright. So, what I was just telling Zeffy is, check this out. I just took the cotter pin out. This bolt is literally loose, and these pins are, you can move them. So I'm going to proceed to pull this off here, and we'll just kind of see what we can do from there. Don't do something. Huh. Well, it's just a spline shaft. Okay, so I think I found our issue, but I've got to ask Z when he gets here. So I'm gonna take a break and do some more office work, but I'll just show you here. These splines here, see that little area on the splines that's kind of like silver? Well, those splines, which is hard to see on camera, are kind of stripped out, and so I think I've just got an issue with the axle itself and might have to order a new axle. So I'm gonna watch some videos, see what I can find, wait for Z to get here, and then we'll figure it out. All right, okay, so I think I figured out what the issue is. So I'm gonna show you guys something. So take a look in here. You can see there's splines on the first little bit of this, but there's no splines down here. This is on the passenger side. On the driver's side, there is splines that go the entire length of the drum, whereas this only goes 1/4 of an inch. So I think these splines were just worn out, and so it needs new brake drum. So I'm now counting the splines to check on Amazon to see if I can find the right ones. So let me just count these splines. Okay, I gotta call O'Reilly's and see if this is the right part. Hey, I have a quick question on a part that you guys have in stock.
Yeah, what's up?
So the part number is not the right one, folks. Not the right one. We got a bummer, guys. Well, AutoZone, O'Reilly's did not have the parts that I needed here locally in town, so I had to outsource to eBay. My goal is to have this cart on the track by, or out at the racetrack by next weekend. So, looking through what I could find, I found on eBay, Husky brakes. I found a set for $95, and they'll be here by Wednesday of this week. So, stay tuned. I will be fixing the golf cart, but for now, just know, I've got stuff on order. It's gonna be here. I'm going to get the golf cart fixed. So guys, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. Trying my best to make content here. I'm not an expert. I'm not necessarily good at this. I just do it for fun and hope that you guys enjoy it.